Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are diving into blockchain. You understand what blockchain is and why it is so important. Ready? Let's get started. So what exactly is blockchain? Imagine a digital ledger like a super secure tamper-proof notebook that records transactions across many computers. Each page of this notebook is called a block, and these blocks are linked together to form a chain, hence the name blockchain. So how do blockchain work? When a new transaction is made, it is added to a block. But before that happens, the transaction must be verified by multiple computers in the network called nodes. Once verified, the block is added to the chain, making it permanent and immutable, meaning it can't be changed or deleted. So, if one wants to add a new block, most of the nodes must agree that that data is valid. This is called consensus. Several methods are used to achieve consensus in blockchain. One of the most popular methods is called proof of work, but I'll explain that in another video. So, here are three key features of blockchain. 1. Security. Each block is secured and linked to the previous block using cryptographic hashes. You can think of a hash as a digital fingerprint. So, if one wants to change the information in one block, the hash will change, hence breaking the chain. This is called cryptographic protection. Number 2 feature is decentralization. There is no central authority. The network is distributed across many nodes, making it resilient to attacks. Then the third one is transparency. Every participant in the network has access to the entire blockchain, ensuring complete transparency. So, blockchain isn't just for Bitcoin. It is used in many areas like cryptocurrencies. Blockchain powers digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the term of the agreement directly written into code. Supply chain. Blockchain ensures transparency and traceability in the supply chain from production to delivery. In a nutshell, blockchain is revolutionizing the way we handle transactions, contracts, and data. It's secure, transparent, and decentralized. And that is it. You now know the basic of blockchain. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. See ya next time.